Do you ever feel like your financial goals are just a pipe dream? Like you're working hard, but the big picture, that down payment on a house, a new car, or even just a solid emergency fund, feels impossible to reach. It's a common feeling. We all have dreams for our money, but life gets in the way. Bills, unexpected expenses, and the daily grind can make it tough to stay focused. You know you should be saving more, but where do you even start? How do you turn a big, daunting goal into a manageable reality? That's where a tool like Rocket Money comes in. It's designed to take the stress out of saving and put you back in control. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you get to feel empowered, watching your progress in real time. Rocket Money helps you set specific, achievable goals and then automates the process so you can get there faster. Here's how it works. First, you decide on a goal. Maybe it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off some debt. You set the amount and the timeline. Next, Rocket Money's Smart Savings feature analyzes your linked checking account to determine the perfect time to transfer money. It's not just a set-it-and-forget-it transfer, it's a smart system that only moves money when it knows you can afford it, so you never have to worry about overdrafts. You can even adjust the ambition level of your savings. Want to be aggressive and reach your goals sooner? You can do that. Prefer a more comfy, gradual pace? Rocket Money can handle that too. It gives you the flexibility to build your savings in a way that fits your life. The best part? It's all visible right in the app. You can track your progress, see how close you are to hitting your target, and even get insights into your spending patterns so you can make smarter decisions. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket, celebrating every milestone with you. So, if you're ready to stop just dreaming about your financial goals and start making them a reality, Rocket Money can help you get there. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.